In the bustling kitchens of Acampo, the hum of a garbage disposal is a modern convenience, until it turns into a silent standstill. Jammed garbage disposals are more than a minor inconvenience. They're a symptom of misuse or neglect, whether it's running them dry, the ill-advised disposal of fibrous or hard items, or simply the passage of time without proper maintenance. Such jams not only halt our kitchen activities, but can also lead to unpleasant odors and the need for costly repairs. Yet, this kitchen calamity doesn't have to leave you stranded. If your garbage disposal has ground to a halt, a solution is just a phone call away. Don't let a jammed disposal disrupt your home's harmony. Reach out to the qualified professionals at 888-501-1193, ready to serve the Acampo area with swift, efficient plumbing repairs. Restore your kitchen's flow and get back to the joy of cooking without delay.